What up, YouTube? It's your boy Malacio, man. With constrictors in the building again. Quick unboxing. This time we got a couple packages from a couple cool little breeders. So we gonna open these up. Got the knuckleheads with me today. We made one quick new pickup that I'm gonna show off. You might have seen it if you follow me on Instagram, but show that girl off a little bit and let y'all know what's going on over here, man. That being said, kick that intro. All right, first up, we got a package from the lovely Mary Python and the Holy Balls. If you ain't giving her a follow, go give her a follow. And I mean, one of the greatest people out here in this community, man. If you doing something good out here, man, making yourself, you know, a positive influence for others, she'll find you and she'll shout you out, without a doubt. So, big love to Mary, man. See what we got over here. I know she entered me in a giveaway that I didn't even know about, and it turns out that I won. She gave me hella swag. Look at that. Boom, 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 boom. All the love. Big shout out to Mary. Say mad love and respect. All the best in 2021. Love, Mary. So big shout out to Mary, man. Like I said, she awesome. If you ain't giving her a follow, go give her a follow, cause I said so. Next up, Chain Reaction Exotics. And I'm pretty sure this is the shirt that I won in that giveaway that I was just talking about. So if you're not giving them a follow, make sure you go give them a follow too. Again, Chain Reaction Exotics. I know they on Instagram because I follow them on Instagram for sure. I assume YouTube and Facebook, probably one of the two or both. So go check them out, man. See what we got in here. You want to open this since you standing here doing nothing? Go ahead. Pop that boy open. Use some muscle. You got on the Nike sweatshirt. Yeah, you need a knife?
Yeah.
Oh, you got a hole right there. There you go.
Right here? Oh.
Nah, you good.
Another card is
Got a nice little...
What's in a nice shirt?
Oh yeah, that's a real nice shirt. They are not slacking on the back. Nice shirt. Big shout out to Chain Reaction Exotics. I'm finna throw that on and rock that today, boy. And we got a nice letter also. Congrats. Enjoy the swag and good luck with the upcoming season and all future projects. Danny and Anna. So again, Danny and Anna, Chain Reaction Exotics, big shout out to them. Make sure you go give them a follow. And of course, homegirl Mary Python, man. Make sure you go give her a follow too. They got some swag in there too.
Make sure nothing else is in it.
Grab that swag, let me show it off. Lee.
I threw the bag on the chair and I had some weight, so I saw stuff fall out.
We got the business card. Here, you can show the sticker. I like that logo. I'm digging that logo.
Oh, look at this one. This one's nice.
Holographic joint. And we got the black and the white. I like these two. That's pretty sweet. Like the negative. The negative and positive. That's pretty cool, man. And they vinyl. Nice. Real nice. That one's dope.
You put these on your truck.
Going on the incubator, baby. Oh, this is a magnet. So you know where that's going. Follow me on around. Ah. Right up here with my homeboy Jose. And my homeboy Troy. Where you at, Troy? Bam. Shout out to the magnet crew. I think one of these are magnets too. Let me see. Any one of them magnets? No?
No.
Okay. I know I got that button, boy. So, with that being said, man, let's get into this little new pickup that I got, man. Let's go. All right here we got that new pickup, boy. That is a female yellow belly pie. One of the craziest, most beautiful looking yellow belly pies I've ever seen. Super low white, which I like. You know me, I like the pattern. Mad oranges, man. Like, the camera doing a pretty good job of picking it up. And I'm gonna let Tayshawn take over. Go ahead, man.
The pattern on it's really nice, like the line down the middle. It's not very white, but it's really white on the bottom. And the bright orange on the side looks really nice. And pies are like one of my favorite snakes.
Yeah, so she definitely gonna put in some work over here, man. Yellow belly and pie go together so good. I seen this girl, they posted it. Big shout out to Captain Fred Specialties, by the way, they produced it. They posted it on Facebook, man, and was like, hey, first come, first serve. And I can't complain, dude. It's insane. She's insane. Super clean, white belly, of course. Like this little busyness underneath the tail. And then just the crazy pattern down the side, man.
That orange.
And the orange, yeah. And the yellows inside the saddles, like the normal looking saddles right here. The yellow's pretty bright in there too, so. Pretty nice, man. I love this girl already. So she here, man, doing big things. We gonna grow her up, get her nice and thick. And you know what I mean? Keep it popping. On to the next. All right, quick video of this boy right here, man, cause he is mean, like mean as shit. This is Venom Chocolate Arroyo. And growing up nicely, dude. As you can see, he eating good, and he hella feisty. Like he's stiff as a board right now. And I like chocolate, dude, a lot. Like the more I mess with dude, the more I like. First of all, look how black he is overall. Dark as shit, like super duper black, man. Overall, like all this in here, super black, which makes the browns pop, like my son said a little bit ago. And then it's hella flaming in there that I never noticed because he always tagging me, but hella flaming going on down there, which also is set off a lot better by how dark the black is around there, you know what I'm saying? And then, yeah, and then he got that crazy belly, super dirty belly. So I don't know, man. Chocolate and Arroyo seem to work really, really nice together. I still want to make some super chocolates. I still want to make some super Arroyos or Rios. So I don't know where I'm gonna go with this boy, but he here. All right, man. Just wanted to let y'all know what's going on. It's been a little bit since the last video. You know, this dude had to come up here and show his boy y'all. So that's his kid. It's his boy Thor, man. Inchy yellow belly. Dude in love with this snake. He'll never go nowhere. So he here forever. He paired up. Hopefully he'll be a dad this year, but we'll keep y'all posted on that. Hopefully we got babies coming soon. We got some females off food. We got some females that was cooling, that's now on the hot side. We've been pairing since September over there. So hopefully, man, we see some action soon. We'll keep y'all posted. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, hit the button, hit the bell, do all those things. Till the next time, y'all be easy, man. Peace. What up, YouTube? It's your boy Malacio, man. With Constrictors in the building again. Got these two knuckleheads here with me. Got got one pickup, got a couple things to unbox, and a little update on what's going on over here. But that being said, man, let's get in. This fucking guy, you can stop that.
You doing like.
And the dog barking. What up, boy? What up, boy?